Hi. So if you remember from one of our last videos, I tell you that I don't trust my torque wrenches. So now it's a good time to deal with that. And let's calibrate torque wrench using the simple tools. So next time we should be, sure about what measurements we got from the two torque wrenches that I got. So basically I have a really, I don't want to say cheap, but yes, they are cheap torque wrenches. So basic torque wrenches, and one more reason to calibrate them. So basically I always remember that as a kid from the physics project I made the Newton meter, but I never got job well done from my professor. That's more telling about the schooling system here on Balkan, but okay. So first we will find some good measure between the center of the torque wrench and the handle. It doesn't matter what it would be, because we will use that measure in our equations. So usually find some point in on the handle. We took 200 millimeters or 20 centimeters, and it's in the middle of these two lines here, so it will be easy to remember that. Now we'll put it in the vise, and what we need is a simple scale like this, some cheap scale, and I will use one of my some lever to help me pull this scale like this, and this point will, with a little help of the zip tie, we'll put in the middle. Where the fuck is it? Okay, so we'll put here in the middle of these two lines, and we know it's 20 centimeters. Now we will put the scale in kilograms, put the weight on, and then what is important is that you have 90 degrees here. When you pull this, you need to have 90 degrees. I put the Newton meters, I mean the torque wrench, I put in the middle, so it's from 4 to 24. I put it on 14 Newton meters, and now we will see when it will click, and we will do this 3 times for reference. I need to tear this. Okay, let's go. .2 7.1 8 7.1. Okay, so we got 7.1 our torque range. No, don't judge me, but you get the point. Okay, and we need, this is the torque we apply, so the force, rotational force. We have torque here, and then let's use another color for, we have this measure until some point on the handle, and you know, for ease of use we decided on 20 centimeters, but you know, you can use whatever you want. Okay, so like this, and then we pull, let's use a different marker, we pull this with some force to see when it's gonna click. So now we have torque measure is equal this in meters, so 0.2 meters times force in kilograms. We said we had 7.1 kilograms. We need to add gravitation acceleration of the earth, so times 9.81, and we got torque that we set on 14, we get 13.91. So we are really close, and seems that this torque wrench is working fine. Let's now try same thing for a larger torque wrench that we got in garage. I was kinda satisfied with this one, but not with the larger one. Let's see, is that just a feeling or it's off? So we got some, okay, this is okay, so for 40 centimeters, okay, we have that measure. So let's put it in the vise. Okay, and now let's do the same, you know, pull it in that point until it click. So it's somewhere here, 5, 6.8, 6.8, 6.8. Okay, let's now go to 42. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.5. 10.5 meters times 6.8 times 9.81, and the torque, second torque was 0.4 times 10.5 times 9.81, and for this we have 28, and for this we have 42. And now we need to see what we got there. Okay, so I calculate that, of course, on calculator. I don't know, am I able to calculate this? I'm just kidding, but yeah, I use the calculator. So for this we have 28 Newton meters on scale on torque wrench, and we got 2668, and here we have some 1.3 less, and on this we have 42, and we had 42 on scale on, and we got 41.2, so less. So we have some 1 Newton meter less than the scale, and I must admit that yeah, I'm impressed. Okay, 0.4 times 13.8 times, you can see that we have consistent results. As for 56 Newton meters, we got 54.15. But I must say I'm impressed, you know, that my torque wrenches are so close to be accurate. Now, when we determine that we need, basically what this said is that it click sooner than it's supposed to, and I believe that you need to turn this screw, and you will have some screws. Some of the torque wrenches are set here, but this one is set here. I think you need to go counterclockwise, and it will go really easy, because we need just a little bit to adjust it. So I will go just a little bit anti-clockwise, and then now we need to check and recheck again. I don't see that anything happened from this adjustment of ours. So let's try something more. Okay, I must say everything went beautifully. So we had after first measurement 26.7, let's say, and now we are at 27.5, and I think it's, you know, marginal, and I will not set up anything more on the torque wrench, as I think we are close enough. Also for this we need 42. We had 41.2, now we have 41.6. So we are somewhere in the limit of 0.5 newton meters. And here we had 55.15. Now we have 54.15, and we miss quite a bit, almost 2 newton meters, but now we are at 55.3, and you know, I think it's quite okay. So yeah, we could, you know, just a smidge unscrew this screw for setting the torque wrench, but I would rather be below some measurement than above, so I would leave it as it is. And yeah, basically now we have calibrated our torque wrenches, and you know, I can trust them, and that was the whole point of this video, you know, to next time when I torque something, that I trust that you know, if something breaks, then it was fault in material, not in my torque wrench. That's it, guys. Hope this video will help someone. See you guys.